Hello, and welcome to Easy English Made Fun. I'm glad you joined me today. This video is a chance for you to practice English anytime and anywhere. When you come back again, it shows that you really care about your English. It also shows that you are ready to learn step by step. Today, our practice is about my daily life. In this lesson, we will practice speaking with a method called shadowing. What is shadowing? It's very simple. I will say a sentence clearly and slowly. Then I will pause, and you repeat the sentence after me. It's like you are copying my voice, my speed, and my rhythm. This is not just memorizing words. It's training your mouth, your ears, and your confidence. Shadowing helps you think in English. It helps you speak more naturally, without translating in your head. Many learners ask me, how can I speak English better? My answer is, practice every day. Even 5 minutes is enough to make progress. Don't worry about mistakes. Focus on practice, not perfection. So now, wherever you are, at home, in your room, or walking outside, take this time for yourself. Forget about grammar rules for a while. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy speaking. Are you ready? Let's begin. Listen carefully to each sentence, and then repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m. when my alarm clock rings loudly. Sometimes I press the snooze button because I feel sleepy. After a few minutes, I finally get out of bed. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. The floor feels cold, so I put on my slippers. I walk to the bathroom and brush my teeth. Then I wash my face with cold water. It really helps me feel awake. Next, I take a quick shower. The hot water feels nice and relaxing. After my shower, I get dressed. I usually choose comfortable clothes for the day. Then I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. First, I turn on the kettle to boil some water. I prepare a cup of tea with honey and lemon. Sometimes I drink coffee instead. For breakfast, I usually eat toast with butter and jam. If I have more time, I fry an egg or make oatmeal. While I eat, I check my phone for messages. I also like to listen to the radio or an English podcast. At 8 a.m., I grab my bag and put on my shoes. I check if I have everything: my phone, my wallet, and my keys. Then I leave the house and start my day. I leave my house at 8 a.m. sharp. I lock the door and put my keys in my backpack. The morning air feels fresh and cool. I walk down the street to the bus stop. On the way, I see neighbors walking their dogs. Some people are jogging and others are riding bicycles. When I arrive at the bus stop, a few people are already waiting. The bus arrives after 5 minutes. I get on the bus and tap my travel card at the machine. Then I find an empty seat near the window. The streets are busy during rush hour. Sometimes there is a traffic jam, and the bus moves slowly. At noon, I usually take a lunch break. Sometimes I eat at a small cafe near my office. Other times I bring a lunchbox from home. Today, I go to the cafe with 2 colleagues. We order food at the counter. I choose a chicken sandwich with a small salad. My colleagues order pasta and soup. We sit at a table by the window. The cafe is busy, and we can hear people chatting. While we eat, we talk about our morning tasks. Sometimes we also share weekend plans or funny stories. After lunch, I buy a cup of coffee to go. The warm cup feels nice in my hands. Then I walk back to the office. In the afternoon, I usually attend meetings. I write notes and check my to-do list. Sometimes I feel a little tired after lunch. To stay awake, I drink water and take short breaks. At around 4 p.m., I usually have a snack. It might be a piece of fruit, some nuts, or a cookie. A small snack helps me stay focused until the end of the day. I finish work at 5:30 p.m. Before leaving, I tidy up my desk and shut down my computer. Then I say goodbye to my colleagues. On my way home, I sometimes stop at the supermarket. I buy fresh vegetables, bread, or milk for dinner. Carrying a shopping bag always makes me feel like an adult. When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes. Then I prepare dinner. Today I cook rice with vegetables and chicken. The smell of food fills the kitchen. At 7 p.m., I have dinner with my family. We sit together at the table and share our day. Sometimes we laugh at funny stories. Sometimes we talk about plans for tomorrow. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Then I relax in the living room. I often read a book or watch an English TV show. If I have energy, I review English vocabulary. Before going to bed, I take a shower. I brush my teeth and set my alarm clock for the next day. Finally, I lie down in bed. I feel grateful for the day, and soon I fall asleep. Great job today! You didn't just listen, you practiced. And every time you practice, your English grows stronger. Remember, fluency is not a finish line. It's a journey, step by step, word by word. Some days it feels easy. Some days it feels hard. But every single day, you are moving forward. Shadow this video again tomorrow. Repeat the sentences. Speak them out loud. Feel how your voice gets clearer and more confident. Don't wait until you feel ready. You are ready now. You already have what it takes to become a real English speaker. I'm proud of the effort you gave today. Keep going, keep speaking, and keep believing. This is Easy English Made Fun. I'll see you in the next episode.